Hello Philippines and hello world. Mula dito sa bahay ni Kuya ay charot, bahay pala to ni Mama. So I have collected video greetings from all over the world. Talaga naman, all over the world daw. Alright, so watch this because it's my mama's 60th birthday.
Miss Josephine Padit, happy 60th birthday. Maraming salamat po. Nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makapagpakatid sa inyo ng isang pagbati. God bless you and God protect you always.
Sing happy birthday.
Hello, Tita Mana. Wish you a happiest birthday. Oh, salita ka rin.
Yan ang adlaw,
More birthdays to come.
kaadlawan, ang hingyap namon, ikaw, magmalipayo, dagan kaunta, sinhalawi, nga kinabuhi,
Maya, yun na.
ngansin maupay, nga bisan kun kapus, anam kahimtang,
Ayun, pag tinangis.
amon laig hahatag, duti ay nabutang,
Ano na?
an amon
Pangaba
kasing-kasing,
na.
puno sin.
1 minute.
Maupay nga adlaw sa at nga tanan. Ito na, dumating na ang kaarawan ng aking sisteret. Ang pinakamaganda at pinaka-sexing sisteret. Ew! Sexy daw! Happiest birthday to the strongest, bravest, and most powerful woman I ever met. O, diba? Charot. I ask to the Lord to fulfill your life with everything. Oh, diba? English yan. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with laughter, joy, and all your cherries. Again, happy birthday, Mana. More birthday, more years to celebrate. And I hope you enjoy today. It's your day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mana. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Always good health. At sana marami ka pang birthday i-celebrate na kasama mo sila. Dahil malayo ako. Salamat at umabot ka sa ganyang edad mo sa ngayon. Sana marami pang birthday na isi-celebrate na kasama mo ang pamilya natin. Ingat palagi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! 60 ka na. Pwede na tayong gumala na may discount. Have a good health. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Huwag mo intindihin masyado si An-An. Si Ben-Ben. And Upa. And kami lahat. Big na kami. Huwag ka na mag-alala. Uwi na ako susunod. Next birthday mo pa. Matagal pa yun. Sorry, wala ako sa birthday mo. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah! Hey mama ka, happy birthday! Happy 16th birthday! Message ko sa'yo, sana umaba pa ang buhay mo para makita mo pa ang mga apo mo. Para makita mo pa yung apo mo kay Benben, sa akin, at kay Yenyen. And then, sana maging healthy ka lagi. Kasi, ayun naman yung importante, yung maging healthy and happy ka. And, hey mama, happy birthday! Love you so much!
Hi Ma, happy birthday and welcome to the newer life. More healthy years to come and more happy years. Thank you for all your sacrifices and for all the things that you do for our family. Know that we will do anything just for you. Enjoy the day and happy birthday! We love you!
Maligayang kaarawan sa natatangi naming ilaw at haligi ng tahanan. Maraming salamat Ma sa walang humpay na pag-aalaga sa amin at paggabay. Nawa po ay isang mas mahaba pang buhay, Panginoon, ang ipagkaloob nyo sa aming mama, and sana hanggang sa panahon na puro bakasyon na lang tayo dalawa. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah. As a singer, happy birthday, Ma. Happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness, of course, no? And I want to say thank you to all the things that you've done for me and the family. I'm very grateful that you are our mom, you're our mama. No? You're such a very strong person that I wish to be as strong as you are. No? You are a combination of Darna and Wonder Woman. And there are many things that you can accomplish talaga. No? Almost some things that we never thought, no, that you could do them. No? Protecting the family, take care of the family, providing for the family sa tagal-tagal ng panahon nung simula mga bata pa kami, grabe. Yung mga pinagdaanan mo, hindi na natin paano, no? Sa dami noon, simula ng mga bata pa kami, maliliit pa hanggang ngayon. And I just wish to God na sana all these coming years, no, maging smooth na and less problems, less complicated life, no? Sa dami ng struggles. And I'm just grateful na kinakaya mo yung mga family problems, no? Well, natural naman ang problems, but I want you to stay strong and believe na nandito lang kami to help you, of course, and as much as we can. I love you so much, Ma. I'm very thankful na you've been there during of course, I've been sick, and now that I'm recovering, you're still there. Grateful ko kasi I have a personal nurse in your personality. You know? Ang mama ko, ang aking nurse. And I'm so proud to say that. You know, dahil sa pag-aalaga mo, gumagaling na ako. No? At lumalakas. Thank you so much. And Lord bless you. Good health and more happiness. Thank you, Ma. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mama! I love you. Sorry po. Makulit ako. At salamat po pag-aalaga sa akin. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama! This is Cassiopeia Pima Apoy, and I am here to say my appreciations. Firstly, thank you for being with us when we are in times of need, and when we are always messy, dirty, disrespectful, and etc. Though I still love you, please, just remember I always love you, and I will be always with you till the end of the world. I will help you in times of need. Sorry for today. So,
That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you.
Kapit na palang birthday mo, di pala ngayong birthday, sa 19 pa. 60 ka na pala. Akala ko ano pala. 50. Magdandahan ka naman. Matanda na. Matanda na ako kasi matanda ka na. Bigyan ka sana ng biyaya pa ng Diyos. Sana malakas ka pa at malakas pa rin ako. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Tita, happy birthday pala. 60 ka na ngayon, senior citizen ka na po. Pero marami pang araw na birthday na dating dyan. Tapos, hindi lang yan isa, marami pa. Tapos maraming salamat po sa mga support and everything. Pagkuha ng lisensya and everything. Happy birthday po. Sana lahat mga ano na. Okay, happy birthday.
Birthday, Lola Josie!
Happy birthday, tita.